Welcome to this short tutorial series about CELERO, where I'm going to show you the functions of CELERO. Feel free to pause the video if it's moving too fast, as this will only be a quick overview. You can get a more thorough explanation in the manual. CELERO is an open source software platform with the goal to improve the eco-efficiency of industrial processes, identify potential optimization scenarios and support decision making. It merges cleaner production and industrial symbiosis and creates a cost-benefit analysis to help compare different options via key performance indicators. First of all, we're going to create a profile by clicking Register. Fill in all the mandatory fields and use the name of your organization in your profile name. To gain full access to all the functionalities of the platform, we have to upgrade the profile to Consultant. You can do that under Edit your profile. Now we're going to create a company. You can create more companies by clicking on Create Company. Select the level 4 NACE code to classify your company. Fill in the form and select coordinates on the map. You can always change your company information under My Companies. Once you've created one or more companies, we're going to assign them to a project that needs to be created first. This works the same way as creating a company. Go to Create Project. Fill in all the fields including coordinates and the starting date. Use the name of your organization in the project name. You can also assign a status. This will help you keep track if you're working on multiple projects. Assign at least one company and a consultant. You can add other users to your projects to cooperate. You can view and edit all your projects under My Projects later. Now that we have created a project and some companies, we can start adding data in the next video.